Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. Well, nice to meet you all, and today I'm going to share a tutorial. This tutorial is made based on questions from our community. So this one is from Dearlove, and he is asking about how to create these images that look like one image when doing a social post. So there's a lot of answers already in here. So I think he already watched this tutorial. So Instagram carousel post with Canva. Well, when I saw this one and I promised myself to make this one, I challenged myself to make it, and all this one can be done in Canva without using other party. So that's why the aiming of this making of this tutorial, just to help others and just to give a free tutorial to everyone for those who are not yet familiar how to make this one. Well, without further delay, let's go to the case, and I would like to break down how to make this one. Actually, I already made this one, but before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Chief Saramai. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So for those who are not yet have a Canva Pro account users, so you can click and upgrade your account. Guys, this one is the official link, and because I was affiliated with Canva. So if you are already Canva Pro users, you don't have to click this link, you just keep watching and that's fair enough. So if you are not yet, so you can use this link and click it, and you can upgrade your Canva Pro. And the benefit having Canva Pro is just to make everything smooth when you are doing a design in Canva. So everything you can get it, all access, you can get it. Alright, so let's go, and this is the case, the original case, and this is, I gave this here two format, one with photo frame, square frame, and one with one square frame, and the rest is square, standard square, that colorable, so that we can change the color. And if you are using all photo, so I suggest you to use this this kind of square, square frame. It's easy, just in case you are using photo, but because this case is only using one photo over here, so this is the format that I use in here. And the second one is with one square square frame. So you can get it, this square frame, from, you just type from element over here, it's a frame, you can type over there and scrolling down, and you will see here square frame. So you can just get this one and then adjust. Okay, so this size is if you make it small or big. So actually, if you make it small, and when you are designing, and then you're going to use the real size 1080 pixels, so you don't have to worry about it, as long as this one is a square. So it doesn't matter, even though you make it small size or big, when you use it and upload to Instagram, the size will be just the same. And make sure you will make it bigger before you upload it. Alright, so this is the format that I use in here, and exactly, if you are going to make to design like this one, I did already. So we need a guide. So this guideline over here is guidelines from, you can get it from this file over here, and then you can click this one, is here, you can click, or you can use a shortcut by pressing Shift and R on your keyboard. So you can show the lines, or you can make it disappear by pressing once again. I make already this one, and I adjust already, and I arrange all these lines of here to guide me and to make this design in the nice position and in the nice line, or in a good lines. So this is the result that I made. Okay, so because I only have one image in here, I'm going to remove this one for a while, and you can get the image from here, right, and put it inside there, and you can type. And if you are the beginners, you can use this text over here, and then you can add a heading, and you can type, and you can move in here later on. All right, and you can change the color anyway. So yeah, so this is only information for those who are not yet, or for those who are beginners in here. And exactly, I did already. And this color, I get it from the original one. And how do I get this color from here? I just click this one, the background, and I click this color palette over here, and I choose this one, and there's a color picker over here. I take this one, and I point this color picker on this image so that I can get the color. Now I get the color, and it will appear in here. So that's why it's easy for me to change the color, because it's been here already. Yeah, so this is the color, and I type everything in here and arrange, so I get some words in here. So I arrange, as you can see, this is the format at the beginning, and assist by these guidelines over here. So you can grab from here by dragging your mouse. Yeah, you can drag, and you can look for, yeah, from the, you can look for the central, and here as well you can just drag. Okay, so that's the way how I get these guidelines over here. And then I would like to remove it by Ctrl Shift and R on your keyboard. Alright, so once you type everything in here and then you feel it's good to go, now we are going to give this kind of element in here. So as you can see that we would like to have this element over here, and then when we check our on our Instagram, we will see that it will be shown like this. All right, so I grab, after I made all these things, okay, I'll just show you on the new page. I copy this one, okay, the whole things on the first row, and I just put in here and reduce the size, become small. And the second one is copy and paste over here, and then I reduce the size the same size like this one. Okay, if you feel this one all in line, so I'll just wait. Let's try to make it bigger again. Okay, and after this, now it's time to put this kind of element. Okay, so this the name of this element is organic curve line shape. So it's up to you where you're going to put it. Okay, and this is all element that I put in here. So once you put in here, okay, so guys, I'm sharing this tutorial not using other party, or not using third party or other programs to to make it a carousel. Okay, so once you finish this one, now we are going to another page. Okay, this page is the real size when you post on Instagram. Okay, so I have this one already in here, and now I try to copy paste and one by one. Okay, one by one, so that it's easy for me later on to download it. Alright, so let's go back to the previous design. So this is the way how I copy those things. Right, I just block over here, I don't go through the other one, and I copy paste. Okay, I just copy this one and I go to this Instagram post, and I'm gonna show you, and I open in here the new page and copy paste. Okay, so this size becomes smaller in here. Now all you're gonna do is you can make it bigger. Okay, you can make it bigger until it covers everything, and then this one too, so you can move and a little bit, and now we're done. Okay, so even though the other one, okay, the other one, I copy this one. Make sure you copy all the element and do not copy other things. Okay, as you can see on the screen here, now I copy this one and I go to the real size of Instagram post, and I copy paste, I paste in here. Okay, alright, as you can see, the size is small, and don't worry about this element over here. You just keep going and put on the corner and then drag down until it cover everything. Now as you can see, this element is disappear, and now I get the real one in here. Okay, so until it get this one and this one and this one, and finally, okay, and finally I will show you on the, and finally I've uploaded already, and after this one you can download it by click share and download it, and the whole things, so you can download it, the whole things. And the result of this one I did already on Instagram, that I upload on Instagram in here. Okay, so this is the result. So this is the result. So if you are on your phone, you will see that this one is seamless. Alright, so this is the result of this. Guys, this is the way how to execute this kind of design and this kind of case that asking in our community, and I hope by doing this you will get it. And after watching this tutorial, I believe that you can make it by yourself. So this is the styles that I make, how to make a carousel post on Instagram. There's a lot of tutorial, but it's up to you guys how to, it's up to you which one you would like to adopt it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I hope after watching this tutorial you can make it by yourself. And if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe this channel. But if you don't like to get any notification from this channel, you don't have to subscribe, you just keep watching, that's fair enough. Thank you guys once again, and see you for the next tutorial. Bye bye.